Are you ready to explore the wonderful country with stunning natural beauty, diverse wildlife, and hospitality? Let's get started with Australia. Number 1. Sydney. Australia's largest and most popular city is Sydney. Sydney is renowned for its warm climate, elegant restaurants, shopping streets, and vibrant cultural events. For those looking to enjoy natural beauty, one of the nearby natural wonders is Bondi Beach. Famous for its magnificent sands, turquoise waters, and high waves, making it a must-visit for surfers. Another natural wonder is the Blue Mountains, located approximately 60 kilometers from Sydney. Known for its eucalyptus-covered valleys that create a bluish haze. In this region, you can find dramatic mountain landscapes, enchanting waterfalls, hiking trails, and nature paths. The Three Sisters, three iconic peaks, symbolize the region and offer breathtaking views. One of Sydney's famous landmarks is the Sydney Opera House, a globally recognized cultural icon. Its distinctive design resembles seashells, and it hosts various events such as opera, theater, and concerts. This place is undoubtedly a must-visit and is considered one of the rare architectural treasures designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. If you're exploring near the Sydney Opera House and looking for a new place to visit, you should also consider visiting the Sydney Harbour Bridge, which connects the city's eastern and western regions. If you have plans for an Australia trip, be sure to include Sydney in your itinerary. Number 2. Melbourne. Melbourne is the capital and largest city of the Victoria State in southeastern Australia. The city is known for its vast parks, green spaces, and rivers, offering natural beauty. Among these natural attractions is the Yarra River, which runs through the city centre and serves as an important venue for various activities. If you're in Melbourne and looking to enjoy a variety of activities such as festivals, concerts, open-air film screenings, art exhibitions, and sports events, then you should head to Federation Square. With its modern and contemporary architecture, this square stands out and is a popular meeting point for both locals and visitors. If you plan to visit the vicinity of Melbourne Port, don't forget to stop by Prince's Pier, where many people took their first step when immigrating to Australia in the mid-20th century. Here, you can take a leisurely walk, savor the harbour views, and experience the unique atmosphere of the historic pier. Melbourne is frequently ranked high in the livability rankings and is considered one of the most livable cities in the world. Number 3. Tasmania. Tasmania, a captivating island located in the south of Australia, is famous for its natural beauty, wildlife, and historical riches. It is home to the iconic cartoon character, the Tasmanian Devil. Here, you can engage in activities such as wildlife observation, water sports, fishing, and mountain biking. The capital of Tasmania, Hobart, is where you can try the local delicacies, including wallaby meat and Tasmanian cheese. If you're interested in historical architecture, the Richmond Bridge is a beautiful option. Number 4. The Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is considered one of the world's largest and most famous coral reefs, an immense marine ecosystem, and a natural wonder. It covers an area of approximately 2,300 kilometers in length and is regarded as the world's largest single living organism. Here, you can find thousands of species, including fish, corals, sea turtles, dolphins, sharks, and various other marine creatures. It is known worldwide as a major tourist attraction. This magnificent natural wonder has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 5. Queensland. Queensland is a large state located on the eastern coast of Australia, famous for its diverse natural beauty, coastal areas, tropical rainforests, and unique wildlife. The capital city of this state is Brisbane, which you can visit and see the Brisbane River. Another must-visit destination in this state is Noosa, where you can relax on serene beaches and indulge in plenty of shopping. If you come here, don't forget to explore Noosa National Park as well. Number 6. Uluru. Uluru is a large sandstone monolith or solitary rock located in the Northern Territory of Australia. It is also known as Ayers Rock. It is considered one of Australia's most iconic natural symbols. Situated in the central part of Australia, it stands at approximately 348 meters in height and stretches about 3.6 kilometers in length. It holds significant religious and cultural importance for Indigenous Aboriginal peoples. This place serves as the central hub for various rituals and ceremonies. You can watch the sunset here, go on nature hikes, join tours led by local Aboriginal guides, and explore the area. Number 7. Great Ocean Road. Great Ocean Road is a famous coastal road located on the southeast coast of Australia. If you see tall limestone columns along the coast of the Southern Ocean, these are the 12 Apostles, one of the most iconic sites on the Great Ocean Road. Unfortunately, it is not possible to see all 12 of these rock formations when viewed from the viewing points. Due to some of them collapsing over time, it is only possible to see 7 of them. The best times to visit the Great Ocean Road are during the spring and summer months. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for more.